Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Shreya. Welcome to yet another episode of monthly hauls. This is a fashion haul for the month of June. If you haven't watched the beauty part of it, I will leave the video link down in the description box below for you all to check it out. Watch that after this video. I for one am particularly so excited about this haul video is because everything that I got, I was so impressed with the quality, the pricing and everything, and I would highly insist you to watch till the end because I have found some amazing pieces from Amazon. So yeah, without wasting any minute, let's jump straight into this video. First thing that I got is a purple smoke top from the brand Harpa, and this is how it looks like. The color is so flattering. It has a free flow sleeve somewhat like this, and it is smoked all over. Now I've got this in the size M, and this looks so good on me, especially when you pair it with a dainty jewelry. These are those sort of a top which do not require much, yet it looks very classy. So just pair it with a dainty jewelry and you're good to go. The next item is by far my most favorite purchase from the entire whole video. आपको अभी पता चल जाएगा मैं ऐसा क्यों बोल रही हूँ. The shirt that I'm talking about is by Stylestone, and this is how it looks like. It's a satin shirt having this print all over. I don't know exactly what this print is called, but I've seen a lot of celebrities wear this lately. So satin is in, and this print is also very trendy. So overall, I think I've got a great deal. I got this top for 700, I believe, and the quality is amazing. I would highly recommend it to you all. Once you purchase this, you'll realize why I was raving so much about it. Now, if you're wondering, my size is M in this, and when you pair this up with a blue denim, oh my god, it looks breathtaking. I really enjoyed it, and yeah, a must buy. My next purchase is a casual t-shirt from the brand Juneberry, and this is how it looks like. This sleeves is a little longer than usual, and that is exactly what I loved about this. Firstly, it is different than usual t-shirts, and if you are somebody like me who has a little heavy arm and you feel a little conscious, you can surely give this one a try. It covers it up and it looks really nice. This is how the stripes look like, and overall this looks really nice and it is very comfortable. My size in this one is S, and yeah, I really liked it. Next purchase is something that I'm wearing right now. It is such a free-flowing sort of a top. It's a black colored chiffon material top which has sleeves which are free-flowing again, and just the sleeve portion is see-through. Otherwise the entire thing is not see-through. Plus you can just pair it up with the dainty jewelry and your look will go from this to this instantly. And yeah, this top is really classy. I mean, what's not to like? My next two purchases are from the jewelry collection, and the first one looks like this. It's a stack of rings which you can pair it like you can wear it all over your hand, and it looks really nice. So whenever you have a party to go to, or probably you want to dress up, these rings come in very handy, and it instantly just amplifies the look. So yeah, second piece is a jewelry that I wore in my previous beauty haul video as well, and this is what it looks like. It's a butterfly dainty piece. I absolutely love it. It's stunning. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Both the pieces are very good quality jewelry for the pricing, so yeah, you can totally give them a try. Now, if you'll remember, in my previous month's fashion haul video, I had purchased a black colored jeggings from the brand aka Chic, and how much I loved it. I went ahead and got a blue one as well, and this is how it looks like. It is so lightweight and it has a chain detailing right here, which looks really nice when you pair it up with the crop top and stuff. It looks really nice. I in fact want to take this time out and give this brand a shout out because I have a few friends who've purchased this from my recommendation, and they have raved about it as much as I do. So yeah, I think this brand has amazing quality jeggings, jeans and stuff. You definitely should check them out, and yeah, a must buy. Now my size in this one is 32 and it fits me really well. So yeah, if you are looking for something in the jeans segment, please give this brand a try. My next purchase is a top cum shirt, if I may say so. It's from the brand Miraco by Van Heusen, and this is how it looks like. Unlike previously, this did not disappoint me, luckily, and yeah, this is how it looks like. Again, this has a little longer sleeve, and the top portion looks somewhat like this. Now the color and everything looks really flattering on my skin tone. The best part about this is that it has a glossy material which looks very rich and classy. Overall, this top will flatter everyone. I am so sure about that. The only thing is I got this in the size S, and yet this was pretty loose for me, like relatively quite loose. So please make sure that you keep this in mind before purchasing. My next purchase is a parrot green colored Indo-Western top, and this is how it looks like. I am in the size S. It has a cross stitch sort of a material printed halfway through, and the sleeves are 3/4. And yeah, this looks nice. I mean, yeah, it looks nice. It's a decent top. Nothing fancy I have to say about this, but yeah, it's a nice top. To my last purchase, it's a shirt which looks somewhat like this. It's grey in color and it's from the brand Style Quotient. This has big button detailing all over and it looks really nice. The only disappointing part, in fact there are two disappointing aspects about this. One is that I had ordered this in the size M and I received it in the size XXL. Also, the piece that I've received is a little defective. If you can make out, there is a button missing right here. So I am going to replace this probably because I like this color, and I'm going to order it in my size, which is M. With that, we come to an end to this fashion haul video. For your convenience, I have listed down links of the products that I've purchased down in the description box below. You can simply click on them and you'll be redirected to Amazon's website. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also comment down below with any video requests or anything in general. I love reading your comments, and yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care.